this is my Windows phone. I have a Lumia 520. I've been with it for so long, I think since 2014, but it was a great device, and by the way, it is still working very fine. The software is very smooth. So this is my default home screen with my tiles arranged, so I can use this phone for productivity. So well, you could also use productive features like the mail apps, calendars, and many other things. So you can use the calendar for remind me. So there is a remind me feature that goes on reminding you about your program. And also the Cortana, by the way, is almost as if it's discontinued. So it's a great feature. It gives you updated feedback if you're searching about educational content. It's very brief. It's even better than Google. So the search engine is working very fine. It filters great content, so you get good results. So you just search whatever you want and it comes then and then. So another productivity feature you can use with this phone, apart from calling and messaging, you could use it as a storage device. So that's also a great feature. This one has 8 GB, so 8 GB is at least great for storage. So let's check on storage. Oh, I have almost 1 GB left, so you can use all this for storing your content. So it's pretty good about that, storing data. Another hardware you could use is the camera, I think. So the camera is also great. If you have some simple projects, you could use it to capture content or capture videos, whatever. So the camera is very fine. So you could use it to capture your videos and even photos, so that you can add them to your projects. So that is how you could use the nice hardware for, I think, improving your performance and also your projects. Thank you for enjoying. Comment if you liked it, and by the way, don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Bye bye.